Okay. So, circles actually, this chapter not a circle. Last year we studied circle, correct or no? Hello. Last year we studied or not? Last year we studied circle, right? Okay, but that is not a no connection with that chapter. Okay, this chapter I think the PS done, right? Okay, so this chapter not connected with the last year. This is actually the chapter name is called tangents. Actually, what is the name? Tangents. Hello, Mansui already scheduled the class for those who have problem with the identities. Newcomers and all can join. Mega, there is a class for okay. There is a class for coordinate geometry. Okay, sorry, not coordinate geometry. Trigonometric identities. Okay, so you can join also that. So just listen some network issue. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so look at here. Here, a circle, listen, a circle and a line. Listen, a circle and a line. Can you hear me or not? Look, a circle and a line. Is it okay? A circle, a circle and a line. Okay. This is touch. Suppose option one, it is passing like this. Okay. This is option one. Option two, just touch. Okay. Option three, no touch. Like this. Three options there is. Okay. A circle and a line. Three options. First option is passing through the circle. What do you call this line? A circle is passing through the a line passing through a circle. It is called a tangent, secant. What do you call? Secant. And if it's just touch, a circle and a line, just touch, that is called a tangent. Okay, this one not touch. That means tangent means a circle and a line touch exactly one point. That is called a tangent. Okay. Okay, write that definition first. A tangent is a circle. 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 A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line. That intersect the circle in exactly one point. Okay. A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle in exactly one point. Draw this figure. This is the center. Okay. Exactly one point. the point of intersectional circle, the point of contact. The point of contact is called the point of that point is called point of contact. This point is called that point is called the point of contact. You wrote now? What you wrote? A tangent to a circle is a line. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle in exactly one point. In exactly one point. Okay. Second one, a line which intersect, a line which intersect, a line which intersect, a line which intersect, a line which intersect a circle. You draw first one, Ramsha. Draw first one. This is the one. This one. This is the first figure for tangent. This is the first figure for tangent because just one point of contact. Okay. Second one, a line which intersect a circle, a line which intersect a circle in two distinct points. A line which intersect a circle, a line which intersect a circle line which intersect a circle line which intersect a circle in two distinct points is called a secant of the circle. 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 Okay. A secant of the circle. A line which intersect a circle in two distinct points is called a secant of the circle. Okay, this is a very easy chapter. 3 theorems you have to learn. That's only. Okay, now listen. Maybe you just now you learn in trigonometry the tangent you learn. Secant also learn. Correct or no? Hello. Tan theta, sec theta, and all right. You learn that is connected here only. Okay, then higher mathematics you learn that all. The connection, the same only connection. Okay, that's not now you have to learn. Okay. So now this was one of the simple chapter, and this, we can select the questions. Write the question. Sorry, first theorem. A tangent to a circle. 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 A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius, is perpendicular to the radius, is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Is the tangent, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular, a tangent to a circle, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. A tangent to a circle, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. Okay. It's clear now? Okay, what this theorem proof not required. Look at here. That means here, look, it's a tangent. Okay, this is the center. O, A. This line, this angle is 90 degrees. That is the thing. Okay. Line will pass through center also secant. Okay, it is a line, not line segment. Who asked this question? I didn't know the name. Okay. near, near. If it is, look, this is also secant, a line. But if it is a line segment, then it is a diameter. Understood, no? If it is a line, if it is a line means it's passing through, like passing through here, a line. Secant is a line. If it is just touch here, that is a what? Diameter. Okay. Okay. So now draw this figure. Draw this figure. That means this is for all. Look here. Suppose you draw a tangent here. This angle 90 degree. Another tangent here. We can draw many tangents. Okay. Or another here. This angle 90 degree. That means theorem what is saying? A tangent to a circle is perpendicular radius to the point of contact. The tangent, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. A tangent to a circle. Okay, you just write after that x, a, y. So write OA perpendicular to x, a, y. Okay. Its converse also there is. Its converse is the right. A line drawn through the perpendicular. A line drawn through the end of it. A line drawn through the end point of a radius. A line is drawn through the end point of a radius. A line drawn through the end point of a radius. A line drawn through the end point of a radius and perpendicular to it is a tangent. That means, suppose a line, look at here, a line drawn. If this angle 90 degree, that means this is a tangent. Clear now? The converse. A line drawn through the end point of a diameter. A line drawn through the end point of a radius. A line drawn through the end point of a radius and perpendicular to it is a tangent to a circle. Is a tangent to the circle. Is a tangent to the circle. Okay. Clear or not? Both theorem understood? The first theorem, the radius and tangent is perpendicular. Okay. The audio is not clear. Audio not clear or not? Okay. Listen here. The first theorem, Kashinath. Look, Kashinath. Listen here. The first theorem is. Look. The radius, suppose this is the radius. Okay, the radius and the tangent is perpendicular. The radius and the tangent is perpendicular. That is the first theorem. The radius and the tangent, that this angle is 90 degree. Second theorem, if this angle 90 degree, that means this line is a tangent. Now clear or not? Kashinath, listen. The first theorem, suppose, look, this is a tangent. This is the radius. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, the radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. That's the first theorem. The radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. Okay, radius through the point of contact of the tangent is perpendicular. Second theorem, if this angle 90 degree, that means this line is a tangent. Third theorem, right? Third theorem, this chapter mainly throughout using the third theorem, simple theorem. Okay, right. The length of two tangents, length of two tangents drawn from an external point. The length of two tangents can drawn. Length of two tangents can drawn. Length of two tangents. Length of two tangents. The length of two tangents drawn from an external point. Length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay. Hello, listen here. From an external point, how many tangents you can draw? Suppose one circle here. Okay. One point here. How many tangents you can draw? We can draw only two, right? From this point. In a circle, many tangents you can draw, correct? In a circle, we can make many tangents. Look, one tangent, this tangent, this tangent, this tangent, like that we can make it. But from an external point, we can make only two tangents. That two tangents are equal. Okay. Don't write now. This one, I'll give the proof. Okay, listen here. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Look, here. Look, don't write now. I'll give the not this one. This is a important theorem. Okay. Suppose two tangents. Look. Here O. A here, P here, Q here. Okay. What is given? Given is what? AP and AQ are two tangents. Given is what? AP and AQ are two tangents. What do you show? AP equal to AQ. AP equal to AQ. Okay. Now listen here. Hello. Listen all. Theorem understood? What is given? I'll give the complete note. Given is what? AP and AQ are two tangents. Okay. What you have to prove? AP equal to AQ. Okay. There is a chota construction. Okay. Vidya, the question is the length of two tangents. The length of two tangents. The length of two tangents. You have to by heart this one. The length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Clear now? Vidya, okay? Okay. That means what is given here? AP equal to AQ. AP equal to AQ is given. To prove that, sorry, AP and AQ are two tangents. AP and AQ are two tangents. We are sure that AP equal to AQ. Okay, that is chota construction. Join OP, OQ. Join it. Okay. Now, in triangle APQ, APO, and AQO. This one equal to this one. What is the reason? OP equal to OQ. What is the reason? OP equal to OQ. Radius of same circle. 90, 90. Theorem 1. Correct or no? This 90, this 90. As per theorem number 1. Theorem number 1, what? The radius through the point of contact is perpendicular because this is a tangent given. AP and AQ are the tangents. This is the radius. So that angle is 90 degree. theorem number 1. Okay, I'll give the note, don't worry. Okay, now this is common. OA equal to OA common. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. By what? Which congruency? RHS. Correct or no? RHS. Hey, not SAS. Who said SAS? Who said SAS? SAS means what? Mansvi. SAS not possible. SAS means what? Side, angle, side. There is no here to side, angle, different. No. SAS means side, angle, side. Angle should be in between. Okay. Angle should be in between. This is not like that. This is what? Hypotenuse on one side. Because this angle 90 degree, OA is the OA is what? Hypotenuse. Because opposite of 90 is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse on one side. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS congruency. Hence, AP equal to AQ. Clear or not? Is it okay? Anyone have doubt? Asma, is clear or not? Others? Okay, so then I'll give the note. Draw figure. Hello, draw figure. Then I'll give the complete note. Okay. Okay, then right. Draw with the correct compass and all. Okay. If your screw is loose, tight it. Okay. Then right. Given AP and AQ are two tangents. 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 AP and AQ are two tangents from a circle from a point A to the circle with center or radius R. AP and AQ are two tangents from A to the circle with center or radius R. To a circle with center or radius R. That's you just write like this. COR, like this. How to read? Circle with center or radius R. Don't read core. Understand? No. Listen. Circle with center or radius R. How to short form? C, then bracket OR. Circle with center or radius R. Okay. You can use the short form like this. Circle with center or radius R. Okay. Then to prove AP equal to AQ. To prove AP equal to AQ. To prove AP equal to AQ. Okay. Construction. Join OP, OQ, and AP. Join OP, OQ, and OA. Join OP, OQ, OA. Then next, proof. Okay. Right. In triangle APO, in triangle APO and in triangle APO and AQO, in triangle APO and AQO. Okay, APO and AQO. Angle P equal to angle Q. Angle P equal to angle Q. Okay. In bracket, right? Radius through the point of contact of the tangent. Radius through the point of contact of the radius through the point of contact of the tangent. Radius through the point of contact of the tangent. Okay. OA, OP equal to OQ. OP equal to OQ. Radii of a circle. Radii of a circle. Radii of a circle. Then OA equal to OA common. OA equal to OA common. OA equal to OA common. Therefore, triangle triangle APO congruent to triangle AQO. Okay. RHS congruency. Don't write only RHS. Okay. Maybe right hand side. Okay. So write full RHS congruency. Hence, AP equal to AQ. AP equal to AQ. Okay. Even we can say this angle also equal. CPCT, right? No. That means if two tangents are equal, we can say these angles of inclination also equal. Okay, that's no need now to prove. Okay, it's clear now. Anyone doubt? Just go through the proof and check it. Because theorem all finished. Now we are going to questions only. Now, first theorem it's not required proof. I don't think in the syllabus. Okay, your class done, no, Aksha? I don't know, your class done or not? Yeah, then okay. This is simple proof. Okay, we can verify the in next month. We can verify the exact syllabus. Okay. What is the angle P and angle Q equal? I said already, no, Asma. P and Q equal. What? 90 degree. Angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90 degree. Radius to the point of contact is perpendicular. I gave you know. Angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90 degree. Radius through the point of angle P equal to angle Q. Radius the point of contact is perpendicular. Then OP equal to OQ. OP equal to OQ. Radius. Then OA equal to OA common. Okay. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. Clear now? This is very simple and from circle only one theorem only actually. So chance to come this question. Okay. Everyone okay? Given Vidya. Given is what? What is given? You can write now given AP and AQ are two tangents. AP and AQ are two tangents. That is given. AP and AQ are two tangents from a point A, to a circle with center of radius R. Clear now? Is it okay? Vidya? Okay. What is the problem? My audio is not clear or not? What about others? Okay. Actually, no, listen, my audio is one of the best mic available here. Okay. It's a very good mic. I'll show you. See. Look. You saw now? Okay, this one actually for the drama and all, in the stage drama and all. 2, 3, 4 meter far it will catch. Okay, so now clear, Vidya, clear or not? Here, listen, once again, I tell you, given is what? AP and AQ are tangents. Then angle P equal to, then what do you have to prove? AP equal to AQ. So take the triangle 90, 90, this radius common, RHS congruency. Okay, now write the question. Okay. The length of two tangents, the length of two tangents, the length of two tangents, the length of two tangents from a point A to a sorry. Now the question. Write the question. A tangent PQ. Not that. Cross that one. Listen. Write the question number 1. In the sequence, your next class will continue the question like that. So this is the next is question number 1. First question of this chapter. Okay. A tangent PQ. A tangent PQ. A tangent PQ. At a point P. A tangent PQ. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter meet a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ equal to 13 centimeter. So that OQ equal to 13 centimeter. OQ equal to 13 centimeter. Find the length of PQ. Find the length of PQ. Find the length of PQ. Okay, once again, I'll tell you. A tangent PQ at a point P. A tangent PQ at a point P. A tangent PQ at a point P. Okay. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Okay. Through the center O. Okay. Radius 5 centimeter. Meet a line through the center O at a point Q such that OQ equal to 13. OQ equal to 13. OQ equal to 13. Find the length of PQ. This length we have to find out. Simple. Okay, here OP 5. OQ 13. You have to find out this one. Okay. Okay, what do you got? What's the answer? It is 12 centimeter, right? This angle 90. So PQ square equal to 13 square minus 5 square. 169 minus 25 equal to 144. Then PQ equal to 12. Okay. So next one. Clear, no? Hello, is it okay? Okay, I'll wait. No. This is Mansvi. This is a new. It's a numerical work now. You can write directly. Okay, there is no issue. No, this is the first question, Vidya. This is the first question. Okay. So next question. Clear now? Everyone clear or not? Now, second question. A line through the center. A line through the center. A line through the center O. A line through the center O of a circle. A line through the center. A line through the center O of a circle. A line through the center O of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Of radius 7 centimeter. A line through the center. A line through the center O of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Cut the tangent. Cut the tangent, comma, at a point P. At a point, cut the tangent at a point P on the circle at Q. On the circle at Q. On the circle at Q. Such that PQ equal to 24. PQ equal to 24 centimeter. Find OQ. Find OQ. Okay. Clear or not? Question. A line, same question, same type figure. Okay. A line through the center O of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Cut the tangent at a point P on the circle at Q. Okay. Such that PQ equal to 24. Find OQ. Find OQ. Okay, draw figure and try. Question clear now? A line through the center O of a circle of radius 7. That means this one 7. Okay. Cut the tangent at a point P. Tangent at a point P at Q such that PQ 24. So we have to find out OQ. Okay. Yes. 25. Correct or no? 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square plus 7 square. Okay. Okay. Figure you have to draw. Mansvi. What are you asking the question? figure also, there is a given figure. Then, okay, figure is there, answer is there. You just copy. Like that test is there. Okay. Okay, so next question. Right. A point P, next question. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. A point P, 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. Okay. The length of the tangent drawn, from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. The length of the tangent drawn, from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. To the circle is 12 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. 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 Question again. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. First line clear or not? Okay. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, find first. Okay, find first. Okay. Answer what? Answer is 5 centimeter. It's just a mental mass only. Okay. Still some guys are asking the question and all. Okay. I had no comment. Okay. What is one? From a point P. Okay, we can use another figure. Look. This is a center P here. Okay, from a point P, 13 centimeter from the center. This length is 13 centimeter. The length of tangent drawn from P to circle is 12 centimeter. This one is 12 centimeter. Q. We have to find out radius. So what? This angle 90, 13 square minus 12 square is what? 5. Okay, next question, right? Find the length of tangent. Find the length of the 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 tangent drawn from a point. Find the length of a tangent drawn from a point. Find the length find the length of a tangent drawn from a point whose distance from the center of the circle, whose distance from the center of the circle is 25 centimeters. Find the length of the tangent. Find the length of the tangent drawn from a point. Find the length of the tangent drawn from a point whose distance from the center of the circle, whose distance from the center of the circle is 25 centimeters. And radius 7 centimeters. Radius 7 centimeters. Okay. Distance is 25. Radius is 5. Find the length of the tangent. Okay, find first. Question. Find the length. Find the length of the tangent. Find the length of the tangent drawn from a point. Drawn from a point whose distance from the center of a circle. Whose distance from the center of the circle is 25 centimeters. Okay. The point is Halima. The point is 25 centimeters away from the center. Radius is 7. Find the length of the tangent. Okay. A point. Okay. Here, this one is 25. Suppose A. Radius is 7. AB. We have to find out AB. Halima, clear or not? Hello. Okay. So now we are going to do important questions. This all preliminary questions. How to? Okay. Okay. Finish it fast. All Asma, clear or not now? Anyone had doubt? Which is the tangent? Which is the radius? Which angle 90 degree? Distance? Everyone okay? Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Anyone have doubt about these questions? Because next question onwards, all star questions only. Asma, is it okay or not? Everyone have idea which is the tangent, which is the radius, which is the distance, and which angle 90 degree. Okay, and radius to the point of contact is 90 degree. Tangent from an external points are equal. Okay, now next star question. Okay, right. A circle touch is a star question. A circle is touching the side. A circle is touching the side. A circle is touching the side BC of a triangle ABC. A circle, okay, a circle is touching the side. A circle is touching the side BC of a triangle ABC. A circle is touching the side BC of a triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. At Q and R respectively. Touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. Prove that AQ equal to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. You don't write like this. Okay. Question, okay? Don't start. Just see the question first. Okay. I'll send you the question in the group. Check it. Freishner, I sent the question in the group. Check it. Okay. Everyone, make sure the question after that only I can start. Okay. A circle is touching the side BC of a triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. Prove that AQ equal to half of perimeter of ABC. Okay, everyone got the question? Copy the question first. Figure we have to draw. Figure not given, affirm. Figure we have to draw. No, don't start. I'll give the figure and everything. Okay. Don't start. Just copy the question. That's only. Others, copying finish or not? Okay. So don't start. Look at here. The question. A circle is a star question. Okay. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC. Okay. Look, a circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P. This is P. Okay. And AB and AC produced. AB and AC produced touching at Q and R. Q here, R. Q and R. Okay. Prove that AQ equal to perimeter of triangle ABC. This is the figure. Figure okay or not? Hello. Figure is okay. Make sure the figure. Draw figure clearly with proper combos and all. Okay. A circle touching the side BC of the triangle ABC at P. AB and AC extended, it intersect at Q and R. Okay. Prove that AQ equal to perimeter of triangle, half the perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay. Okay. Figure okay or not? Hello. Okay. Anyone had doubt? Figure. Anyone? Mansvi. Figure is okay? Anyone have asked? No, because we cannot repeat this. Abir, is it okay? Amina, Ayush, Farhana, Halima, Jain, Ahi, Ubaid, Ramsha. Is it okay? All okay. Now I'm going to start because this is one of the easiest chapter in this. Hello, this is one of the easy score. We can make sure some question. Okay, look at here. I'm start from here. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. You don't write P of ABC. You write full perimeter of triangle ABC equal to what? AB plus BC plus AC. Clear or not? Is it okay? Perimeter of triangle ABC means AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. So that is AB plus BP plus BC plus AC. Right? BC we can split BP plus PC. Then equal to AB plus, instead of BP, I am writing BQ. And PC, I am writing CR plus AC. In bracket, you write BP, don't write, I'll give the note. BP equal to BQ, BP equal to BQ, CP equal to CR. Tangents from an external points are equal. Enough. Tangents from an external points are equal. Correct or no? This is an external point. BP and BQ are tangents. C is an external point. CP and CR. Okay. Then AB plus BQ what? AQ plus AC plus CR, AR. Okay. That is equal to AQ plus AQ equal to 2AQ. Correct? Why? AQ equal to AR. Tangents from an external points are equal. Same reason only everywhere. AQ equal to AR. Tangents from an external points are equal. Therefore, perimeter of ABC equal to 2AQ. So AQ equal to what? Half of perimeter of ABC. Clear or not? Is it okay? Come on. Anyone had doubt? I'll give the note first, then check it. Okay. Okay. Right. I'll give the note, then I can check it, man. Others. Right. Given. Okay, you write. Right. Given. A circle is touching the side BC of a triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R. Okay. Okay. You write the given, right? Yeah, I'll upload it. Okay. I'm giving the note now. Listen, you wrote the given. You wrote the what you have to prove. That's finished. Then after that, I'll give you. Okay. Right. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. Next line, AB plus BP plus PC plus AC. Okay. Next line, AB plus BQ plus CR plus AC. Okay. In bracket, right? BP equal to BQ, comma, CP equal to CR. Then same bracket, right? Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. After that, look, AB others. Look at the figure. AB plus BQ, what? AQ. CR plus AC, what? AR. Okay. That is AQ plus AQ equal to 2AQ. In bracket, right? AQ equal to AR. AQ equal to AR. Tangents from an external points are equal. Therefore, AQ equal to half perimeter of triangle ABC. AQ equal to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. Clear or not? Others. Now clear? Okay. So everyone just go through the note. Then if you have doubt, tell me. Okay. Abir, is it okay? I will upload the class. Most of the class I'll upload. Okay. Okay. Right. Next question. In figure, is it okay? First question, okay. Saman, is it okay? Zairam, Safilia, Meghna, Meghna or Megha? Megha, okay, okay, not Meghna, okay. Okay, so next question. Two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other at the point C. At the point C. At the point C. Two circles touch each other at the point C. Prove that the common tangent at C. Prove that the common tangent at C is the bisector of common tangent at C bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Bisect the common tangent at P and Q. I'll read again. In figure, in figure, two circles touch each other at C. Two circles touch each other at C. Here, this is A, this one is B. Okay. Then two circles touch each other at the point C. Prove that the common tangent at C. The common tangent at C. Okay. Bisect the common tangent. Bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Okay. This is R. Okay. This is the figure. What you are shown here? We are shown that R is the midpoint of PQ. You are shown that R is the midpoint of PQ. Question again. Two circles, listen, two circles touch each other at C. The tangent at C, okay, bisect the common tangent at P and Q. That means we are sure that PR equal to RQ. Okay, can you try? Question clear or not? Hello, question clear or not? Anyone have issue with the question? Raise hand. Is it okay? Question okay or not? Okay, then try now. Okay, you try. Question you want once more. Two circles. Okay, two circles touch each other. Right now, listen. Two circles touch each other at C. Okay, prove that the common tangent at C. Common tangent at C. There is a tangent here. Common tangent at C bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Okay. Wait. Okay. Anybody got? Very simple. Very simple. Like Verona, simple no. Okay, I'll give the time. Nia, you got? Mega, finish? Yashvi, finish or not? Ramsha, finish? Okay. Hey, Nia, nothing to do. You'll get it very fast. 2 line. Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. Finish. Ansvi, got? Okay, look at here. RP equal to RC. Call it number 1. Agree or no? RP equal to RC. Tangents from an external points are equal. Then RQ equal to RC. Number 2. Tangent from an external points are equal. Therefore, what? RP equal to RQ. Finish. Clear now? Nia. Mansvi, finish or not? Only 2 line. Just 2 line. Look. RP equal to RC. Tangent from an external points are equal. RQ equal to RC. Tangent from external points are equal. Therefore, RP equal to RQ. Hence, R is the midpoint. Sridharshini. Got it? So, next question. Okay, next one. Fresner, finish or not? Sharon, finish? Okay. So, next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. These all selected questions. Okay, we cannot avoid even one question. So, make sure this all, okay? Tomorrow test is only application of trigonometry only, not this chapter. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. A circle with center O, radius R. A circle with center O, radius R. A circle with center O, radius R. Touch the side AB, BC, CD, and DA. AB, once again, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Hello, listen. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. angle D 90 degree. A circle with center O, radius R. A circle with center O, radius R, touches the sides AB, BC, CD, and DA at PQRS respectively. PQRS respectively. Up to here, okay? Up to here, okay or not? Any question? Then, if BC equal to 38 centimeter, BC equal to 38 centimeter, CD 25 centimeter, CD 25 centimeter, and BP 27 centimeter, BP 27 centimeter. Okay, find the radius. Find the radius. Okay, this one I'll show you. Okay, question okay or not? Is it okay? Question clear? Question clear or not? And you have a problem with the question? Then okay, maybe DPS students maybe done this question in school. Okay, so another star question. Look, here. It's a quadrilateral, right? Okay. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Listen here. Is ABCD is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Such that angle D 90 degree. This angle 90 degree. Okay. The circle touches the side AB, BC, CD, PQ, R. Okay, here P, here is Q, here is R, here is S. Okay. Then BC 38. BC that this is side is 38. CD 25. CD 25. This length is 25. And BP 27. Okay, this length is 27. You have to find the radius. This is the question. Radius means what? This one or this one. Okay, this radius R, this also R. This is the figure. Hello. Now you read the question with your figure. Then tell me. Hello. Read the question with the figure. Okay. Hello. It's okay now? Shine. Simra. Question understood or not? I'll show you how to find out. Don't need to worry about that. Okay. Ramsha, clear the question? Figure. Okay. Now look at here. I join this angle 90. Okay, this is all you have to write it. This angle 90, you know, radius through the point of contact. This angle 90, radius to the point of contact. Angle D 90 given. What about this angle? What about angle O? Angle SOR how much? SOR 90. Angle in a quadrilateral. Correct or no? 90. Hey, hello, wait. You have enough time, not to worry about it. Okay. Angle S 90. Radius through the point of contact. Angle R 90, radius through the point of contact. Angle D 90 given. Therefore, angle SOR 90, angle in a angle some property of a quadrilateral. Okay. My question. Now, what about OSDR what? OSDR what? Is it a square or a rectangle? It's a rectangle, right? Maybe square, no problem. Square also, yes, square. Square or rectangle, no problem. Okay. So, okay, square. Therefore, these are, okay, equal to R here. Any objection? dr also R. Any objection or not? dr also R, opposite side. Okay. I'm start from here. Look at here. Now listen here. BP 27, BQ also 27. Agree or not? I don't give the nod. You have to write this one. Okay. BP 27, BQ also 27. Right? Tangents from an external. I told you, only one theorem only you can use it. Tangents from an external points are okay. Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. Every time you are selling, tangents from an external points are equal. Like your rosary. Okay. BP equal to BQ 27. Okay. Then what about CQ now? CQ how much? Mansvi. CQ how much? Mansvi answer. CQ how much? Mansvi. Hey, 3827. Oh, come on. Okay. How much? How much that? 11. This is 11. You subtract and find out. 11. This is 11. Correct? Okay. My question. Again, Mansvi. What about CR? CR how much? CR how much? CR also 11. Okay. DC how much? Given. Nia. DC how much given? Hey, DC 25. DC is 25. CR is 11. Then how much DR? 14. Finish. We got the answer. We got the answer. Mega. Is clear or not? Safilya. Is it clear or not? Okay, but lot of things you have to write it. I did. First you write what? S90 radius through the point of contact. R90 radius to the point of contact. D90 given. Therefore, angle SOR 90, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Therefore, SORD is a square. Hence, SO equal to DR equal to R. Okay. Then BP equal to BQ 27. Tangents from an external points are equal. Hence, CQ equal to 11. Then CQ equal to CR equal to 11. Tangent from an external points are equal. Therefore, DR equal to 25 minus 11 equal to 14. Therefore, radius is 14. Okay, right up to that. So, right, all the reason you have to write. Okay. Okay, write first, then show, tell me. Okay, I'll give the next question after that. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Okay, finish now. Next question, right? Everyone okay? Is it okay? Right. Yes, finish on. Hello. Anyone doubt? Right. A circle touches all the sides of a circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. Okay. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. Prove that AB plus, prove that A, B, C, D. Prove that AB plus CD equal to BC plus DA. BC plus DA. Question. A circle touches all the sides of quadrilateral ABCD. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. This side plus this side equal to this side plus this side. You want to try it? Anyone want to try this question? It's a quadrilateral. Okay. Okay, try first. Only one theorem. Hello. Only just one theorem. Tangents from an external points are equal. That's only. Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. Okay. Who all got? Okay, Verona, you got. Then next, who all got? Kavani, you got. Okay, I'll wait. Let's finish all. Okay. Yeah, got. Okay. Okay, Dilna, finish. Okay, good. Aksha, finish. Okay, rest all guys, finish it fast. I'll wait. Okay, look at here. If not getting, listen here. I'm just calling this is P, Q, R, S. Okay. Look, AR equal to AS. Tangent from an external points are equal. BR equal to BQ. Then DP equal to DS. BQ equal to right, not at BQ. CP equal to CQ, because I want to complete the side. AR equal to AS. Then BR equal to BQ. Correct or no? Okay. DP equal to DS. CP equal to CQ. This all same reason. What? Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. Add on. AR plus BR plus DP plus CP equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. AR plus BR, AB. DP plus CP, DC. AS plus DS, this one, AD. BQ plus EQ, BC. Okay, finish. Okay, let's start copy first. Same way you did, no? Okay, finish. Everyone finish or not? Okay, so this is enough. Next class, I'll continue this chapter. Bhavans, you can join tomorrow with other batch. Okay. Reason all same. Reason all same. Tangent from an external points are equal. Come on. Listen, others, only one reason only here. Second step, what? Just add. This all same reason. You write like exactly like this. Tangent from an external points are equal. Second reason, what? Just adding. That's only. AR. Look, AR plus BR. We got AB. DP and CP. DP and CP. We got DC. AS and DS. We got AD. DS. Then BQ and CQ. We got BC. Others. Then what is the doubt here? There is no scope for doubt. Clear now? Okay, so this is enough. Prepare. Tomorrow test is for Mega. What you ask? Yeah, Mega. You have to write it. Everyone, for everyone. Okay, you write the test and don't post in the group. We cannot post it. Send to me directly. Okay. So prepare for the test. The chapter is application of trigonometry. And Mega, you can attend this one, trigonometry identity class. Mega, Safilya, and all newcomers, you can attend it. Okay. Saturday early morning, 6:30.